how I do a super easy messy bun style with the most volume you can get with any bun that you try. Take it, flip it forward a little bit, and then without actually going another route around it, I'm gonna flip it like this and do a tiny little knot. And then you'll get the maximum volume without breaking any of your curls. And you can also do like a little hair tie with more volume, but to move it towards the front, that's all you have to do to get the most volume. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already and join the club because you know what? Why not? You don't have to be curly hair